Hi everyone, this is a brief moment. I want to show you a really nice combination with Carrick Springella. This is Carrick Springella, see the nodding flowers. And I've always had difficulty placing it with other things because it kind of dominated the look, but it looks great with Alchemilla mollis. This is a house I did about 15 years ago. So there's the Alchemilla mollis, then it drifts into Carrick's bromoides. Let's take a walk along the pathway. There's Geranium macrorhizum bevans with some Diropterus marginalis, and this is Carrick's bromoides. And look at the Springella as it dangles into the Carrick's bromoides, and the Alchemilla really picks it up well and fills in nicely. Here's Carrick Springella and the Alchemilla. They fit nicely together, and I drifted in a few leatherwood fern, Diropterus marginalis, through the walk. So it's a nice look, and it's one way of keeping the Carrick Springella in check with something that has a large volume of foliage and contrasting foliage. Okay, that was just a moment. I'll talk to you later. Bye.